Hey guys, so my brother has the Bugha keyboard. Let's see if it's that good as, or that bad people say it is. I got it plugged in. Like, I could decently like press stuff on it. Let's just go into like a creative match, see how it works. Alright, so we're loading up into a creative game. See how the controls work. The spacebar kind of sounds kind of weird, but like, right. Hey, by the way, I'm using my normal mouse for this, so like it's fine. Yeah, that's a creative I'm working on. So I guess you could go in there and check it out. This is like a sneak peek of my creative map. I can basically like do a lot of stuff. I don't know how to edit like fast and all that, so like I can't like like do like just cranking 90s or something. So like, oh, I'm okay, good, cause hold on, where's my map at? Okay, hold on. Then it has to be here. Yes. Now like the spacebar sounds weird, but overall it was designed for like people who don't have like that kind of money to have expensive gaming gear. But overall, I would say that it's really good for people who like don't need decent specs. No, who don't need like all the like very good specs to start gaming, streaming. Like there is a $5 mic that actually sounds pretty good, but it is $5, and that was for Five Below. So, yeah. Bye, guys.